y'all baddies, I'm back again with another video, and in today's video we will be installing a new braided wig. So y'all already seen I gave not one but two wig caps. I got some lashes, also some braided accessories, and this is the Olymei full Swiss lace front triangle braided wig with baby hairs, and it is 36 inches. So as you can see, it has some combs in the inside, does have baby hairs, also has an adjustable strap, also with another additional strap as well. Showing y'all the party space, it definitely is triangle, and it definitely is a full lace wig. This is, I think, my first full lace wig ever. I've never had a full lace wig before until today. So this is my first one. Y'all see the baby hairs is very much parted out. Baby is giving fluffy. These braided wig is just plaits. It does say it's 36 inches. I would say it's giving me about maybe like 28 on myself. But we're gonna go ahead and just jump into it. So right now what I'm going to be doing is go ahead and do my wig cap method, or my ball cap method. I already got my edges pushed back, gel back, so that's the first thing you need to do. And then go ahead and take the got to be glued gel and go ahead and put it all over your hairline. Well, not all over it, but literally trim it, well, place it where you want it to go. I literally just do like a half a circle on my head, and then make sure I get right above my ears, because you do want your sideburns to be covered as well. So take your wig cap, and this wig cap I do get from Amazon, and I don't even be having any to put any extra foundation on it. Like, it just already be giving scalp. So my wig cap is from Amazon, and right now what I'm doing is just cutting holes with my scissors for my ears to come out so the wig could be placed better. And then what I love to do, and it's so essential for me, is to go ahead and sew down this wig cap, because I don't need no movement while I got this wig glued on. So go ahead and sew down your wig onto your ankle braids that you should already have. So if you don't know my technique of my braid pattern, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in maybe the cards below. Just click right above or in the link down below of the braid pattern you could do for your lace front wig installs. Mine, I put a little bit of remix, but that's besides the point. You need to be doing your braid pattern how it's supposed to be done. Now with your pump it up spritz, I'm gonna go ahead and put the product on my finger, and y'all see I'm not spraying it all over my hairline. I'm just literally putting it where I have put the gel at. And I'm gonna take my blow dryer on some warm heat and blow dry that baby. Do the same thing on the other side. Literally, you liking to use my fingers, because I feel like with my fingers I be having more control of the product, of where it's going. And I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it until it is completely dry. So with these scissors, I done got these scissors from the hair store years ago, and I be trying to get another pair. I just don't know how I was just that lucky at the time I got them, because these scissors right here is just so raw. Like, these scissors serve me all kind of purposes. But I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the extra wig cap. Be careful, you don't cut your ears, but make sure you cut all the excess cap that don't need to be there, and get as close as possible to where the gel stops at. So yes, go ahead and remove the excess cap. Bye bye. Time to go, because we don't need you no more. Okay, your time has expired. Yeah. And then what I like to do, all the little fuzzy roll up parts of the cap that need to be laid down, I do not suggest to put your glue without doing this step. Please do not skip this step, because that's why some of y'all wigs be looking lumpy, and some of y'all it be okay, boom. So take your spritz, put it on your finger again, and literally put the spritz on the cap and blow dry it so that the cap is extremely flat onto your scalp, so it's literally giving bald head like you wouldn't even know. Now with my alcohol, I'm going to go ahead and definitely clean down my forehead before I go ahead and add my Ghost Bond adhesive. We are going to add 3 layers, but I do have makeup on my face, so I need to make sure that my head ain't got no residue, so that the glue could have a good strong adhesive. So this wig, I felt like I kept the larger elastic band. I really couldn't even tell in this clip, but this wig is too small for me. Like, I wouldn't even say it's just right, because in the back it didn't really like sit under my nape as it should have. So I would definitely say the wig cap was too small. My head size circumference is a 22-inch. But I feel like this was maybe 21 and a half, like, because I say that to say I was not able to keep this wig on for more than 24 hours due to the fact that it was literally compressing my head to the point where I had a headache, and it was just pulsing. It was just too tight, uncomfortable. So I do recommend for Olymei to maybe have different head sizes. That's the one thing I don't like about this braided wigs. It seems like they only provide one head size circumference. I don't know why it need to be adjustable. I know it's rather for the fit to be perfect, but I'd rather a little bit kind of big than too small, so we don't run into problems like this. So I'd rather a wig that's too big than too small, especially a braided wig at that. So the fit of this wig was not the best. I feel like if you do have a circumference of a 21, this would be absolutely perfect. But for me, with a 22-inch circumference, it just was too tight, like just too tight. And also this lace was white, I would say, like transparent. It wasn't a brown lace, which is a great thing. So you are able to you know, alter the complexion of the lace to match your complexion. So what I did do is add my foundation, of course, but I did go a few foundations darker, and plus I was in a rush, so I was like trying to hurry up and get this wig on my head. But putting it inside of the lace doesn't work. I literally had to put the foundation on top of the hair, literally like on top of the wig, not in the inside like I usually do. I literally had to put it on top. So on one of my sides, which is my, y'all, me looking at this video, my left side, I believe the lace, especially where my hairline was, if y'all pay attention to detail, was way more darker than my right side, due to the fact that I just told y'all I use a darker foundation. Y'all with me? And because I was in a rush, and I just literally just was taking a foundation brush and just putting it all over the wig. So you are able to make this wig a little bit darker, but just be mindful of the product, how much product you are using, and how dark your foundation is. Because I did use a shade like 2-3 shades darker than me. Don't ask me why I did that, okay? I was in a rush. So what I'm finna do is get that extra cap off that don't need to be there with the scissors, and then the intricate parts, I'm gonna go ahead and use the eyebrow razor to get rid of the rest of the excess cap that don't need to be there. So the scissors, I'm just taking off the majority, and then I'm going to take the rest off with the eyebrow razor. And also I did add 3 layers of glue for this install. I used the first layer with the end of the rat tail comb, and in the other 2 layers I did use my fingers to make sure I get thin, even applications. I know I'm really talking a lot. I feel like I'm feeding y'all so much information, but I don't want to forget anything, and I need to give y'all the whole gag on this wig, okay? Yes. And I think in the beginning I did let y'all know that this is just a regular plaited wig. It is not knotless, so what you see is what you get, okay? So now I went ahead and got all of my excess cap off. Now and now I'm gonna take my Ella Bell melt band, the melt mother band, and go ahead and add it to the front so it could melt. So make sure you guys click the link down below to purchase your own Ella Bell melt band. And yeah, baby, we in there like swim. After 5 minutes, you could go ahead and remove it. And these baby hairs, I'm about to play with them. So before y'all be like, girl, I know you not to be walk out the house with them big old baby hairs like that. It was just giving very much fluff. Like, I just love the fluffy look, and I be wanting like big ghetto dramatic baby hair sometimes, but for this one I was actually replicating a baby hair style that I've seen. So I was literally following the picture. I was looking down, just trying to replicate it as much as possible, because that's what it was giving. So that's what I wanted to do. And all I'm doing for my baby hairs is taking the eyebrow razors, cutting it at an angle as short as I would like it to go, and then using my Gots to Be glue gel, of course, to mold them into place. You could go ahead and use Nairobi for the stubborn hairs that don't be liking to just work with you. But for the most part, I just use my blow dryer and my Gots to Be glue gel. So this video is soon about to end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you already know the deal to go ahead and put that down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe if you're not already to be a part of the Braided gang, because the Braided gang is still taking over. What happened, what they had said, what else? Okay, yeah, that part. The mother is checking out, head of our baddies. And yeah, girl, make sure y'all check the link down below to shop with Olymei. And just know your girl sent ya. Mwah. Bye, y'all. All right, let me tell y'all from now, I could not do my baby hairs on camera. It's just very hard. I really need to be in front of the camera without trying to get the angles. I know, kind of selfish, but to create this, I need it to be in the mirror. So this is what we came up with. Yeah, I like it. It's cute. But I really love how, like, it's so natural. This, like, literally goes into my skin. I did have to put foundation on the lace, but I'll tell y'all about that in the voiceover.